Are you looking forward to log your Facebook profile officially on any phone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily do it. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Inside settings, you have to scroll down and inside audience and visibility, you need to head over to followers and public content. Make sure all the settings is set to friends. Once done, go back and head over to profile and tagging. Over here, set all of the settings to friends. Once done, now go back and head over to profile. In this page, click on this three dot icon. If you have turned on the professional mode, simply turn it off. Click on turn off. Tap on close. Once you have turned off, refresh the page and once again, click on this three dot icon. You will see the option of lock profile. Click on it. Tap on lock profile. And there you go, your Facebook profile has been locked. Only your friends can see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. So this is simply how you can lock your Facebook profile. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.